For free customizable daily meditations from the best personal growth teachers in the world, create your free Mindvalley account today at mindvalley.com. Your meditation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Close your eyes. Come into a comfortable position. Sitting, standing, on the floor, wherever you're comfortable and feel relaxed. Imagine being surrounded and enveloped by a golden light. This light comes from the top of your head, piercing down through your body and all the way down to your feet. It helps clear your energy, making everything clear, strong, and sharp. Start imagining yourself in all the different situations in your life. Interacting with people, taking on projects that you want to complete, asking for assistance, delegating things, learning new things, being at work, at home, in relationships, going from one thing to another, attending different functions, social or professional. Visualize areas in your life where you would like to feel more comfortable with yourself, more assured, more confident. Take a look and see what might be making you feel less confident. Confidence doesn't mean that you have the answers to everything, but that you have a good sense of yourself, just the way you are. It means that you are relaxed enough to listen to your inner guidance. It means that you give yourself permission to express yourself. It means that you can be silent whenever you want to be. It means you have a sense of freedom and joy around your life without fear of mistakes. But most important, you are at home with who you are. Take a deep breath. And exhale. And imagine yourself now interacting with different people in your life. What message do you need to give yourself for you to know that you are okay, just the way you are? From your higher self and intelligence, tell yourself, I am enough in who I am. I don't have to be anything else. Start to feel a sense of gratitude about who you are, your life, all the blessings in your life. And let this gratitude fill you and lift you. Know that there is no one like you. Isn't that wonderful? There is no one like you. Make this positive statement to yourself. I am safe. I am protected to be who I am. I love myself exactly as I am. I rejoice in the opportunity to learn new things. I give permission to myself to feel good about myself. I enjoy myself in different situations. I have a good time. I am relaxed with friends or new people. I interact with ease. I have an enjoyment of everything that's going on around my life. When I walk around in any new situation, I walk with a sense that I belong, that I am perfectly okay, just the way I am. See yourself walking, grounded, expanded, not giving your power or energy away to anyone, but staying contained within yourself. Giving positive statements to yourself. You tell yourself what a gift you are. You project an image of self-assurance, not overextending, not having to prove yourself, but radiating from inside out. Take all of that in and ask yourself if there is anything else that you would like to feel in the world. Give yourself that right now. You belong as much as anyone else. Visualize a lot of other people enjoying having you around, appreciating you, welcoming you because you have welcomed yourself. You are safe, you are loved, you are worthy, you are deserving. This is a new moment in your life. Take it in. Let your high self guide you every step of the way. Be you, your wonderful spirit and your wonderful self. Take a deep breath. Inhale all the way and exhale with a sound. Open your arms and shake your shoulders. You don't have to carry any unnecessary burdens. Isn't it wonderful to just be you? When you open your eyes, you will have a whole new sense of confidence, reassurance, and a beautifully grounded sense of you.
We hope you enjoyed your meditation. For free daily meditations, hypnotherapy sessions, and altered states training to help you improve sleep quality, reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus, increase self-confidence, or dive deeper into spirituality, download the Mindvalley app. You can't put a price on better mental health, so we didn't. Enjoy free meditation every day. Simply download the Mindvalley app to get started.